pitch looks absolutely beautiful. The groundsman done a fantastic job on that one, and just hope that the team recovered from the 1-0 defeat at the weekend in the conference and perform well tonight.
Probably the biggest game in the history of Weston-super-Mare. It's the first round proper of the FA Cup. We have been there before, but many years ago.
It's only a small club and we try to do the best we can. Anything's possible, anything's possible.
You look cold, mate. Another quarter now.
Bad result, but I thought the lads put in a good performance. Our last goal was fantastic. Felt great, even though you're 4-1 down and you know the goal does absolutely nothing, but just to get the goal just means a lot, especially for the club.
Weekly tickets, brilliant mission.